What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox and check this handheld vacuum cleaner. And this is a kind of new brand. I never heard of this before. So I'm going to unbox this and check this out today and share all the details with you. But the fun fact is the price, which is very interesting. I'm going to tell you later. So let's start with the box here. So here you can see that's the brand RBOCO, and that's the model number CV600. It's a 600 watt power, so that's why I guess CV600. So that's the handheld vacuum cleaner, how it looks. And bought this from Amazon, and Amazon sent me just like this, the original box, and I've already opened it up to check this thing out. So let's unbox. So at the top, you get this user manual and the instruction, how to connect all the stuff and how to use this. So this is separately given. Alright, so this is the vacuum cleaner, as you can see, not very heavy, pretty light in weight. And here at the top, like near to your thumb, that's the power button off switch. And the cord is pretty lengthy, around 14 feet. And that's the attachment place. And let's check out the specs. 230 volt, 600 watt power, and dust cap capacity is 1.2 liter, which is quite good for this kind of handy vacuum cleaner. And the suction power is 16 kPa, which is pretty good one. So we're going to check that out. That's the red lever to unmount this front transparent part, so you can access the filter. I'm going to check it out later. That's the extended handle. Two more attachment. This attachment is for the close one, like when you're cleaning table furniture or anything like that, using this one. That's a small handy attachment. And another one is a brush type attachment for the sofa or something like that. And this is the main attachment for the floor cleaning, and it rotates, like goes almost 90 degree, and then it rotates 180 degree to both the side. And these two big wheels are there, and at the front you can see small wheels are there. And then here you get the rubber pad to collect all the dust. Alright, now let's mount this thing. For mounting that, what you gotta do is there will be a notch right here inside. You gotta press this side of this red lever and you gotta push this inside, and here you can see the hole is right there. Notch will go inside this hole and it will stuck there just like that. Just like that. It's tightly. Alright, that's how I can hold it, just like this. Now let's mount this part. But before that, we're going to check it out, how it works. Alright, now let's turn this thing on and check out. As you can see, the pressure is very good. It is pulling my hand, the palm inside of it, very hard. So I guess the suction power is exactly what it says. So now we're going to clean the floor and check it out how it works. Alright, so that's it. Let me know in the comments below how do you like this thing. So now let's come to the price point. This thing cost me only $999 on Amazon, and it comes with 1 year of limited warranty. So you gotta contact the brand for that. And this is very amazing price. So that's why I wanted to try this thing out. So for like 1,000, this is a very handy and useful daily use handheld vacuum cleaner for your home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.